base off this house and put some, wrap it with some house wrap, get some new panels, and just throw it back on there. This strip edge is compromised, rusted out, and so are all the window. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Cutting away all this one vise, get these removed first. It looks, oh, somebody's calling me. Yeah, I got a nice cover up job here. I don't know if, I hope he brings trash bins. I thought they were gonna come off in pieces that were way bigger than that. Well, we've had a nice sunny day. Wall to wall fun. Got Giant cutting this. It's already been cut. It just never cut all the way through, so we're just gonna take that off. Somebody covered it up and just put some roofing paper down. We're gonna house wrap it, do it proper. We're gonna put what's good with the wood that's already over here up against there, replace it, and then we're going back over it with some siding. The windows are already built out, so we're cutting around the windows and removing all this rotten. Over here it's not as bad, but this one had already been replaced one time and someone just covered it up and then just moved the wall out to hide it. So we're gonna have to make it proper. So yeah, coming out good. We had already stopped up to clean this house. So we're coming over just doing the flat removal. Nice self-wash. Nothing too extreme. And just come and repaint those panels. We're not taking out any windows. We're gonna caulk it all in, and actually this had a rusty drip edge that was installed wrong. So we're gonna have the siding actually go down proper. Stay tuned. We got this tidied up. We did the 4-inch, and we still got to cut some trim up here. I didn't bring my table saw. We got this right here. We only have footballs, they call them in there. Looks good from over this way too. Finishing that. So now we match this part of the house to the front, and like I said, I've got to get some more 1-bys to go on the top there. We've got 2 for the window there, and then be able to put the 2 on the top.
Think so?
Yeah, it came out really nice.
Kill my freaking truck.
We're prepping prime it tomorrow. Little windy. Got this trim up. Rest of it above the windows, all caulked in. Windy today. So I'm gonna do this, rest of this, and I'll keep you posted. Got the wind. I'm just kinda gonna go over this really quick. Paint matched. To match that right there, we did the sheeting, caulked, did everything, that pinched the windows, put the 1-by back. Came out really nice. Now the bugs are sticking to it. said it doesn't blow any more in.